Sicilian defense, open, dragon, Rauzer variation, 9, d510.x5nx d511.nx c6bx c612.bd4. Sudden a close game that was lost by a mistake. White really outplayed black in that one. Both players had an amazing opening. White overpowered black in the middle game. Opening with the king's pawn controls the center and opens up the light-squared bishop and queen, often leading to sharp games. The Sicilian defense controls the d4 square with c-pawn. Nf3 develops the knight toward the center to prepare for a d4 pawn push, where the knight will recapture if black captures on d4. d6 opens up the light-squared bishop and prevents white from pushing the pawn to e5 after black eventually plays nf6. d4 offers to trade the d-pawn for the c-pawn, giving up a center pawn for more active pieces. Cx d4 gives black 2 central pawns versus 1 central pawn for white. Nx d4 recaptures the pawn and activates the knight in return for having 1 central pawn versus black's 2 central pawns. Nf6 develops the knight toward the center and attacks the undefended e4 pawn. Nc3 defends the e4 pawn and starts to develop on the queen side. G6 prepares to fianchetto the dark squared bishop on G7, where it will sit on the long diagonal. B3 supports the strong D4 knight in the center. Bg7 puts the bishop on the long diagonal in a move called a fianchetto. It is best. F3 supports the E4 pawn, and prepares to develop the dark squared bishop to E3 and the queen to D2, a common attacking setup versus fianchetto systems. Nc6 develops the knight toward the center, attacks the knight on D4 and controls the E5 square. Qd2 develops the queen, defends the bishop on E3 and prepares to castle queenside. Castling gets the king out of the center and activates the rook. Queenside castling gets the king out of the center, activates the rook and seeks to start an attack on the king side. D5 takes space in the center and attacks the E4 pawn. X5 captures the D5 pawn and attacks the knight on C6. Nx D5 recaptures the D5 pawn and centralizes the knight. Nx C6 captures the knight on C6 and attacks the queen. Bx C6 recaptures the knight and opens up the B file. Bd4 centralizes the dark squared bishop and offers to trade black's strong bishop on G7. After all captures, this is an equal trade. Recaptures. This offers an equal trade of pieces. This wins time by threatening a queen and forcing it to move away. This move puts the queen on a safer square. It is the last book move. This activates a piece and simultaneously wins time by attacking an opposing knight. It is best. The knight is now adequately defended. It is best. This mobilizes the knight, allowing it to control more of the board. It is best. This connects the rooks, which helps them coordinate together in the future. This threatens to win a pawn. It is best. This is the only good move. This threatens to kick a bishop. This stops the opponent from being able to win a pawn. It is a great move. This threatens to reveal an attack on a queen. It is best. Very precise. It is best. This ignores an opportunity to capture a pawn that was threatening to win material. It is an inaccuracy. This moves the queen to safety. It is best. The pawn is now adequately defended. This threatens to fork pieces. It is best. This is the only move that works. This prevents the opponent from being able to fork pieces. It is a great move. This maintains the balance in material with a good trade. It is best. Takes back. It is best. This move puts the bishop on a safer square. It is best. The rooks can see each other now, allowing them to provide mutual defense. It is good. White was better off, but now their position is winning. It is a mistake. This is the only good move. This threatens to win material. It is a great move. This loses a pawn. It is an inaccuracy. That was a great move and very hard to find. This is the only move that works. It is brilliant. This evades the check from the bishop. It is best. That was a truly amazing move. It is brilliant. Sudden a close game that was lost by a mistake. White really outplayed black in that one. Both players had an amazing opening. White overpowered black in the middle game.